Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making for you guys baked mac and cheese or baked macaroni and cheese, so please stick around and watch this video. The ingredients that I'll be using are, I have about 2.5 cups of macaroni elbow. I got sharp cheddar, I got 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of butter, and I have Velveeta cheese. I got sharp cheddar, extra sharp cheddar, parmesan, and I'm going to use some mozzarella and paprika and sharp cheddar cheese. First, I'm going to start by boiling the pasta or the macaroni. So I'm salting the pot with some salt, and I'm using sea salt, and I'm just going to turn on the heat and add the macaroni to boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. While the macaroni is boiling, I'm just going to go ahead and prepare the cheese sauce. So first I'm just going to go ahead and shred the cheese. And this is about a cup. I'm going to use about a cup of cheese for the extra sharp. And now I'm just going to cut the Velveeta up. Now I'm going to make the roux. I'm going to turn the heat on medium high. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to wait for that to melt. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour, and I'm using all-purpose flour. And what I'm doing, I'm just cooking out the raw flour taste with the butter. And I'm just going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. You can use all milk if you don't have any heavy cream. Now I'm going to add the Velveeta cheese. Velveeta. See, nice and creamy. I'm just adding all of that. I just want everything to melt. This one is going to take a little bit longer to melt. Nice and melted. Now I'm just going to add the mozzarella cheese, and I'm using about a 1/4 cup. And now I'm just going to add some of the extra sharp cheddar cheese. Ooh. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of Badia complete seasoning. Totally optional. Totally optional. A teaspoon of paprika. And I'm also going to add a teaspoon of nutmeg. freshly grated. Macaroni is finished boiling, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and drain. And now I'm just gonna add the pasta or the macaroni to the pot. And you want your pasta to be like this, not too soft, not too hard, as they would say al dente. See, it's gonna bake into the oven anyways. So just gonna add all the pasta into the sauce. Ooh. Nice and creamy, man. Look at this. Look at this cheesy goodness. Oh my God. And if you want more, you just double the ingredients because I'm making a small amount. See, now I'm just gonna put this into my baking dish. So you just want to get everything nicely coated with macaroni with cheese. See? Gonna preheat the oven at 350 degrees. And you want to grease your baking tin before adding in the macaroni and cheese to bake. So creamy. Gonna add the cheese on top. I'm gonna add some sharp cheddar and extra sharp cheddar. Because you want a nice and pretty top. Crispy one too. Add some Parmesan on top too. Parmesan. And add all of the sharp cheese on top. This is gonna be so good. I just know it. Just know it's gonna taste super, super awesome. And now I'm just gonna put this into the oven to bake for 30 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes, and when it's finished I'm going to show you the result. And there you have it, guys, my baked macaroni and cheese. Smelling so great, guys. 35 minutes into the oven, and I'm just going to do a taste test, cut into it for you guys to see. Oh my God, look at this. Macaroni in a pot. That's a whop. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my God. Catch this. Look at this. Oh my God. Ooh. Look at this cheesy goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this mac and cheese. If you reach this far into the video, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and leave me a comment down below. And now I'm just gonna dig in and tell you guys how it tastes. I'm gonna taste now. The moment of truth. This that splat right here. This, guys, I'm telling you, you won't go wrong on this recipe, guys. It's amazing. It's so creamy and cheesy. Oh my god, and the flavors from that seasoning and nutmeg. Oh my goodness, guys, thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye, guys. Yum.